You know, sometimes you just have to do your hair, do your makeup, throw on a cute outfit, and remind yourself that you're that fucking bitch.
Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. It is Monday the 8th of August right now. It's currently 11 a.m. in the morning. I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join the family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So jumping straight in, we are off to drive past houses again and see if there's any parking. It's getting a bit frustrating at this point. First we're getting coffee though, because we can't do this without coffee. So yeah, we're doing that. Yeah, strong coffee to get us through the day.
Oh, don't tell anyone I said this, but you're my favorite. What are you doing?
New bedding.
It might be illegal to be this pretty. It might.
Cause girls like you run with girls like me. The sun now when I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, girls.
Hey guys, welcome to Thursday. I mean, I have to put the date on the screen because I've left my watch at home by accident. I had it on charge last night and I forgot to put it on this morning. I'm just on my way to meet my friend where I think I'm helping her with something at her house first on her computer, and then we're gonna go for brunch afterwards. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I had Cairo this morning. It's amazing the difference he can do like instantly. This morning I woke up with like a really bad neck and I couldn't lift my arms, and yeah, he was able to do whatever and put it back in place, and now I can lift my arms again. So yeah, it's crazy what he can do. Yesterday, I don't think I did a check-in yesterday. I just did some house chores. I also had mainly an editing day for today's video. That's already gone up and is live. I'm trying to be good about it and like try and get it loaded so then it just automatically comes out, so then I'm not stressing or anything like that. So successfully done it for this week, so let's hope I can continue.
I put my arm around, show you how strong I am. I put my arm around, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable.
You don't look good as a GTA character. I'm sorry, but you probably don't look.
I do.
You are 30. Start acting your age.
How about new?